can birds smell? All birds have nostrils, nasal passages, and olfactory nerves that can smell odors. However, some birds have a much larger olfactory bulb in their brains. Apparently in seabirds, this olfactory bulb takes up about 37% of their brain. But in songbirds, it only takes up about 3% of their brains. These birds rely more on their sense of sight and hearing to locate prey and danger, and far less on their sense of smell. Part 1. We start first with the tubenoses, which are the albatrosses, the petrels, the storm petrels, and the shearwaters. These tubenoses spend their lives over the vast open ocean, gliding near the surface, waiting for the smell of fish or squid on the surface. When the food is located by smell, they settle on the water to eat it.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.